What is up guys, it's Sean here again. Today I'll be unboxing the all-new Apple Watch Ultra 2. It actually came out a couple months ago with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and I finally decided to get one for myself. And yeah, let's go ahead and open this box up. Okay, it should be enough to open it up with my hands. Alright, here it is. Wow, it's a strange looking box. So yeah, that was all in this Amazon shipping box, because I bought this from Amazon. Actually, it was on a very good deal on Amazon, and Amazon always has good deals on Apple products, you know. That's why I always get my Apple products from Amazon. So yeah, this box right here, it's actually quite different from the older gen Apple Watches that I've owned. Previously, they had the square box, either the square box or the long one, but now this is more like a rectangular looking box. Yeah. Includes Apple Watch, band, USB-C charging. So you guys can see Apple Watch Ultra 2, 49mm titanium. I went with the blue Alpine Loop because I think it looked the best out of them all. Designed by Apple in California, made in Vietnam. Wow, not made in China anymore. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up. So there's no seal on the box anymore. You just open these tabs. Wow, look at this presentation, guys. Wow, you can see the mountains, and it says Apple Watch in the middle. Wow, because this watch is made for mountaineering and adventurers, so that's why they're presenting it this way. Wow, very good, man. Is this a user manual? Oh, it's kind of like a quick start guide. Shows the features of your Apple Watch. Pretty cool. And what is this here? Wow, very nicely presented. It's a safety guide. Wow, I've never seen one being presented like this. And here's the watch itself. Let's get this box out of the way. Here I am guessing is the Apple Watch case itself in this box. Yep. And here is the strap. I opted for the Alpine Loop in blue color because I think it looks the best compared to the other ones. So yeah, it has a titanium G-hook closure. I didn't know about that. That's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and open this watch up first. Then we'll open up the band later. Let's pull these seals. All right. Alright, so here it is, guys, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 in all its glory. Let's put this up. Wow. Nice. It's just so light because it's titanium. Wow. Look at that color, man. It's natural titanium color. Kind of like the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This looks so cool. Let's put this to the side for just a second. See what else we get in the box. Here we have, I'm guessing, yeah, the charging cable. Of course, we don't get the power adapter anymore. And yeah, and it's the all-new braided cable. Apple is doing a really good job with their new cables, man. These are amazing. These are much more long-lasting compared to the old rubberized ones. So yeah. Good job on that, Apple. See how this looks. Also, it's all aluminum now. It used to be stainless steel before, I remember. But yeah, but I'm really liking the cable. It's braided. So let's put this to the side. Let's unseal the watch real quick. Wow. Let's look at this, man. This looks so good. Apple Watch Ultra 49mm titanium and ceramic. So yeah, the back here is ceramic. That's why it's shiny. Otherwise, the whole body is titanium. That's why it's so light. Wow, man, this is perfect size. I can already tell. This is so nice. yeah, so let's put this to the side and open up the loop here. I don't think there are any seals on the loop. Or are there? Oh, there is one seal right here. Okay, see it now. Just pull this tab here. Opens up like so. Okay, just get some information guide, instruction guide. I don't think I'll be reading that for a loop. Okay, so here is the loop itself. Looks really good. Get this out, this box. Wow. And this here is made of titanium. That's what it says on the box. Pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool. I didn't hear any clicking noise, but I think it's in place now. Alright, so let's try wearing this and see how it looks on my wrist. Wow, really good. This strap looks so nice with this titanium cutter on the Apple Watch. That's all I can say. Really cool, guys, really cool. Alright, let's unhook this and turn this watch on for the first time. Okay, it's not easy getting this off. Alright, so let's turn this on for the first time. There it is. You see the Apple logo? That means it's turning on. Oops. Wow, this looks so good. This new ring button is so cool. It's much larger now compared to the normal Apple Watches. It looks so good. Bring iPhone near. Alright, bring my iPhone. Continue. Set up for myself. Alright. So it says your Apple Watch is paired now. Set up as a new watch, of course. Wrist, I'll be bringing it on the left wrist. Now it's connecting my Apple Watch. It'll take some time. That's what it's saying. This looks so good. Alright, so I'm gonna hit agree. It's asking me to add an Apple Watch passcode. Let's do that real quick. Passcode is all set. Bold and text size. No, I'll like it default. Let's click continue. Sound levels. Let's do that. Yeah, I like that feature. It gives you a warning if the sound is too loud and it's not good for your ears. Okay, continue. Wait, what else? So it has fall detection during workouts. Wow, that's good. Crash detection if you get in an accident. Siren if you need to attract help in an emergency or emergency SOS. Let's continue. Cellular setup. Not now. So I don't want to pay extra for that. Apple Pay. I'll set this up later. Action button. So this is the action button right here. The orange one. You can add any. So you can make it open your workout, your stopwatch, or your waypoint. I think for now I'm gonna make it a flashlight button. Click continue. Depth. The depth app can automatically open underwater and measure temperature, time, and depth. That is so cool, man. I didn't know about that. It is so cool. So you can take this underwater and the app will automatically open up and measure the temperature and the time and the depth of the sea. That's so cool. Yes, I would like that. Diving safety. Underwater activities are risky. To dive safely, follow these recommendations. Of course. Welcome to Apple Watch. Oh, it's all set up. That was quick. Awesome. Okay. Yeah, it's all set up now. Okay, so let's get to the Apple Watch here. So yeah, it says hello. Click start. Learn how to navigate. Of course. Press it again to return. Okay. Control center. Yeah, the side button is for the control center. So you can see your widgets by rolling the crown here. Of course, allow it. And look at this watch face, guys. This is the new watch face for the Apple Watch Ultra 2. It looks so good, huh? It has everything on the home screen, like pretty much everything. The weather, the GPS, yeah, it pretty much has everything on the home screen. That's so cool. Alright, let's see what apps it has already installed. So there are plenty of apps installed on this. Let's go ahead and open up the weather app and check that out. Okay, so it's loading right now. So it's finally loaded. And wow, nice weather app here. So you can just scroll down and see the different information for the weather location. Or you could just twist the crown here. Let's see what else we have here. Here's the music app. Let's try out the Maps app here. So you can zoom in and zoom out on the map with this crown. It's pretty cool. This is the compass. Of course, allow while using the app. Adding materials. Yep, we know that. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, guys. Let's see if we can add more watch faces, new watch faces. Let's see what new watch faces we have. This is the one that we already have. Nike watch face, Pellet, Snoopy watch face. So now we have a Snoopy watch face as well. Okay, solar analog. Let's see the Snoopy watch face, how that looks. Let's add another watch face. Let's try out this Nike watch face. Yep, looks good. This is the Snoopy watch face. Looks good. Let's see some other animation. Looks pretty cool. Let's look at the Nike watch face. Yeah, this one is pretty good. And I would say quite basic, but it looks good. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. And if you like this, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.